1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. YouTubers, this is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing some classic Beatles, Norwegian Wood. Alright, so let's go. I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the record, put a cape on 2 please, fret 2, and play the same thing I'm showing you. Alright. This melody that's over D major. So grab first finger, 2nd fret G, and 2nd finger, 3rd fret B. So the fingering is very important here. And then grab 4 on G, 4, 2, open, 4 D. That's the first melody. You don't move these fingers. This stays. 2nd finger stays. Okay, so 4, 2, open, 4, and then 2nd part, 2, 2 D. Open G, 4 D, and open D. And also the song is in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So work on that a little bit. And when I do the 2nd part, I go. I pull on. Alright, and then last part, we're going to move our fingering. We're going to do first finger on 2nd fret G and 3rd finger, 3rd fret B. We're going to go grab 3rd fret A string, and then G, open G, 2 on A, and then land on D with A in the bass. Sounds good. Okay, let's play slow motion. C, G, B, D. Verses, and then the chorus, D minor, 1, 2, 3, G major, D minor, E minor, and land on A major. 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 down. Okay, so let's review before we hang up. So we got two parts. We got the verses with the melody. If you can't get the melody, you can just sing over this, which is a D add 9. Just D with an open E string. Grab that. But okay, so melody. First part, and then second part, and then okay, and then D minor. 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 G. D minor 2 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3. E minor to A. Cool, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I've done this song before, but I'm trying to redo a lot of videos with the new background and everything. It looks better. So cool. See you tomorrow. More cool songs. Be safe. Thanks.